What's up, guys? Long time no see. Here with a quick little video about the S14. I finally got the fuel or the leak in the back from the kind of the fuel lines right here. I got all new lines done. There's no more leak in the back. I fixed all the leaks. And of course, once I fix that, something else goes wrong with the 240. So right now, my injector one right here is leaking really bad. It actually gushes fuel when I turn the fuel pump on, and when I start the car and the car is running, fuel absolutely gushes out. I diagnosed it, and there's an O-ring on injector number one that's super bad. So I ordered new O-rings, and they're gonna be here, and we're gonna get that done. And I'm kinda trying to rush some things. I know that's not good, but the reason why I'm trying to rush is because I do have a drift event January 14th. I'll be taking the 240 out to go drift. And so I really need everything kind of running to give me at least 5 or 6 laps. That's probably like a full day on the track. To really have fun with it, because like I said, the 240 has literally just been sitting here. So this is kind of just a little update video, but it kind of sucks that as soon as I fix one thing, another thing goes bad. So, but we do have, last video I tried to record and everything, and then the car wouldn't start, and then it would, what's it called? It would kind of, my phone died, I ran out of storage, so you guys actually don't know what the 240 sounds like. So right now I have my long tube headers down in the 240. As you see here, they go here and they don't go into anything else. That is the end of the downpipe. I took off the exhaust, as you see here, stuff from my business. As you see here, there's my exhaust right here that I cut off. So I don't even know what to call this kind of setup. I obviously, you know, when more time comes, I'm gonna freaking get a full exhaust for the car. But right now, that's how it's sitting. So you guys are finally gonna be able to hear the car. I have a towel under it, so any of the fuel leaks, it's just gonna be a quick little start. I wouldn't even call this a cold start, but I mean, the engine hasn't been started in a while. So I'm gonna show you guys what it actually sounds like for a 240 SX to just have long tube headers, and that's it. That is crazy, and I already know that I'm freaking gushing fuel all over the place. It's actually not that bad, because like I said, I put the towel down, but I'm leaking fuel, so I can't do it for too long. As you see right here, there's fuel coming out of the injector. All bad, but at least we know what the problem is. It's actually super cool to see it come this far. Like I said, I took a break from this car just because I had so many other things, and there's still so much work to do. It's dirty right now, but like I said, it got to get a new trunk. A lot of rust is eating up the trunk. I got to get a new trunk. I need rear quarter panels. This is literally all Bondo. A lot of work, but this is what I asked for. I couldn't ask for a better car. It's super fun to drive every once in a while, but soon it will be ready to do everything that I want to do with the car. And you guys can say that you've been here since day one when the car actually gets completely done. So yeah, I really can't believe that once I fix a fuel leak in the back, there's another fuel leak in the freaking injectors. But oh well, it could be way worse, you know. Also, I am selling the turbo kit for this 240. It is a Tomei turbo exhaust manifold, max speeding rods turbo, Greddy intercooler with piping, I have 650cc injectors. Now on these, I messed up, and these are actually for the S13. So these are S13 fuel injectors, and I have a E85 compatible fuel pump in the 240 now. I'm not letting that go because I am not getting back into that. So if you're interested in a, I guess, full turbo kit, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at GorillaBoy_Trav. Hit me up on Instagram if you are interested. And if you're interested in coming and drifting with me, let me know. I'll be out there January 14th at Apple Valley Speedway. Like I said, it is a closed course, so we have the entire track to ourselves. So let me know if you want to come drift with the S14 or even just hang out, take some pictures. I will be out there, guys. Thank you so much. Without further ado, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be putting quarter panels on the 240. I really want to get this thing lowered, primered, and wrapped, so that is kind of done. And that's actually really inexpensive if you do it yourself. But I'm out of here, guys. See you later.